Hello, this is Sania Patel and you are welcome to HW News English. A request by the CBI to test Sanjay Roy, the main suspect in the rape and killing of a doctor at R.G. Kar Medical College and Hospital, for narco test was denied on Friday by the Selda court in Kolkata. Roy's refusal to agree to the test led to this decision. Roy was asked directly by the court judge to confirm his consent. Reportedly, according to a CBI officer, administering sodium pentothal during this test puts the subject in a hypnotic state, often leading to more truthful disclosures. The officer explained that this procedure was crucial in determining whether Roy was being honest. In a related development, junior doctors in West Bengal have escalated their protest. Writing a 4-page letter addressed to President Draupadi Murmu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, and Union Health Minister JP Nadda. The letter calls for their intervention in resolving the ongoing deadlock at R.G. Kar Hospital. The junior doctors have been on strike following the horrific rape and murder, demanding justice and improved safety measures in healthcare institutions. The West Bengal government's handling of the situation has sparked widespread criticism. On Thursday, Trinamool Congress MP Kalyan Banerjee condemned the protesting junior doctors for refusing to hold talks with the state government after their demand for live streaming the meeting was denied. Banerjee called the doctors inhumane and suggested that they were unfit to become doctors. He even urged the state government to prevent them from sitting for their final exams due to their refusal to engage in negotiations. Adding to the political tension, West Bengal Governor C.V. Ananda Bose launched a scathing attack on Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, associating her with Lady Macbeth of Bengal, and accusing her of failing to protect the state's citizens. He criticized her for holding both the health and home ministry portfolios and claimed she was protesting rather than ensuring law and order. Governor Bose went on to say that he would no longer share a public platform with Banerjee and vowed to take steps against her for allegedly violating constitutional provisions. He remarked, "The Lady Macbeth of West Bengal holds the waters of Hooghly but cannot cleanse her tainted hands," indicating her perceived inaction in addressing the increasing violence in the state, including the tragic incident at R.G. Kar Hospital. Mamata Banerjee expressed her willingness to step down as Chief Minister for the sake of justice. She suggested that the protests were politically motivated and aimed at demolishing her government, a claim she has made in the face of mounting public outrage and criticism over the law and order situation in West Bengal. Despite the governor's strong remarks and the ongoing protests, Banerjee reaffirmed her commitment to addressing the situation, though the standoff between the government and the medical community continues to escalate. Well, that's all for this news report today. Thank you for watching HW News English. Download our app Shorts to get the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.